In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation menu in HubSpot. If you manage a HubSpot-hosted website, a clear navigation helps visitors find what they need quickly. We'll walk through creating a brand new menu from inside your HubSpot settings so you can use it in your header or anywhere your theme supports it. First, open your browser, head to Google, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account that has website tools enabled. That's where the navigation settings live. Once you're in, look to the very top of the HubSpot interface and click the gear icon. That opens your main settings area. On the left sidebar, inside Settings, find the Content section and select it. This is where HubSpot keeps tools related to your website, blog, and navigation. Within Content, click Navigation Menus. You'll land on a page that lists any existing menus in your account, including a default one. This page is your central hub for creating, editing, and organizing site menus. Next, locate the default menu and click its drop-down icon. This reveals management options and is a helpful way to see how menus are organized in your portal. We're not changing the default right now, we're just using this area to create something new. Click Add Menu. HubSpot will prompt you to set up a fresh menu. Give your menu a clear, descriptive name. The name is for internal use, so choose something your team will recognize later, like main navigation or footer links. Good naming saves time when you have multiple menus. After naming it, click Create Menu. HubSpot will generate the menu and open the editor, where you can start shaping its structure. From here, you can add menu items. Each item can link to a HubSpot page, a blog listing, a specific post, or an external URL. Add your top-level pages first, then nest items under them to create drop-downs if your site design supports it. You can drag to reorder items, rename labels so they're user-friendly, and keep titles short for clean layouts. Remember to save your changes as you go. That's it. You've created a new navigation menu in HubSpot, and you're ready to populate it with the links your visitors need most. Where and how this menu appears on your live site is controlled by your theme or header module, so visibility may depend on those settings. Thanks for watching, and happy building.